नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Tanedars, Kotaris, visitors, viewers, sitting with us all over the world. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Nitya Kriya Yoga, please understand. Whatever you want in life can be expressed by you when your whole being wants it. Please understand. Whatever you want to achieve in your life, you can manifest it, express it without any other effort, just by your whole being wanting it. Please understand. I am making some of the most important statements. It may look very controversial. It may look very different than your beliefs are. Some of the important sacred secrets. Whatever you want can be manifested in your life the moment your entire being wants it. Not just parts of you. Part of you may want health. Part of you may want to have constantly junk food, alcohol and whatnot. Then you won't manifest health. Whatever you want can be manifested just by your whole being wanting it. Nothing else is needed. Please understand, I am making a statement which means if you want wealth, just by your whole being wanting it, you will manifest it. It may look very funny or strange, weird proposal, but I tell you, it works. For various strange, paradoxical, weird reasons, it works. Because universe is paradoxical. It's weird. Still, human beings are not able to decode the universe. That's the beauty of it. Your whole being wanting it can manifest anything without having to need to do any other action other than wanting. Every corners we have to find, every corners where limitations can hide, and clean them all. Our limitation beliefs, where all it can hide, and clean them all. You need to understand all dimensions of your existence. We are more than what we think we are. But unless we understand our ideas about ourselves, our body and mind, we cannot find the part of us that hidden by body-mind system. Please listen. I am making two statements. What you think you are not that. That's the first statement. Second statement, what you think you are hides who you really are from you. That's the second statement. Listen to these two. First, what you think you are is not you, and what you think you are hides the real you from you. The ideas you carry about you, body, mind, you can't find you. The part of you which is hidden by the system for the flowering of the self, you need to work on the self itself. You need to work on your body, mind, emotions. Just like body is made of various systems, nervous system, circulatory system, digestion system, like that you are made of 5 layers. In Sanskrit we call it koshas. One of the oldest Upanishad, maybe 20,000 years old Upanishad, clearly describes the whole you. The sheets are coverings, in Sanskrit koshas. How many koshas we have? How to clean them, complete them, heal them, make yourself as one. These 5 koshas, the Upanishads gives us the understanding. You are the 5 koshas. First, the physical body you are having, which is made of flesh, bones, that's the first layer, body. That's the first layer of you, which we can touch, feel. That's the first layer of you. Second, you are breathing, inhaling, holding, exhaling, the air spreading on your body and cleaning. All this is second layer, breathing layer. Third, mind, your thought current, your thinking trend. Fourth, your cognition about you, the ideas you carry about you, your karma pattern, the root of karma pattern, the ideas you carry about you. That's the fourth layer, your cognition pattern. Fifth, the bliss, the self in you, the bliss nature of you. Understand these 5 layers. Physical body, the first layer. Breathing, the second layer. Mental body, the third layer. The cognition you carry about you, which is not really you, but which you carry about you, that's the fourth layer. The bliss happening in you is the fifth layer. Once you complete all these 5 and integrate all these 5, heal all these 5, enlightenment starts expressing. Means the ability to manifest whatever you want. The ability to manifest whatever you want. Only these koshas, these layers, need to flower, need to open, need to radiate and fall in tune. Ultimate self starts manifesting through you once these 5 layers start manifesting. All 5 layers need to be purified so they constantly radiate enlightenment. Understand? Physical body, Annamaya Kosha. Physical body, the grass body. Physical body, breathing layer, mental layer, cognition layer and bliss layer. These are the 5 layers you carry. Taittiriya Upanishad, 2nd chapter, Anandavalli, beautifully explains this whole science. These 5 layers, understand, I'll repeat now. Physical body, breathing layer, mental layer, cognition layer, bliss layer. In these 5, we carry so many incompletions, patterns. Removing all those incompletions, engrams, patterns, helping every one of you to completely integrate yourself. Helping every one of you to fulfill yourself. Helping every one of you to experience yourself, the ability to manifest what you want to manifest. Helping every one of you to do that. That's the goal of this program. Goal of this program is to remove all the incompletions and patterns. People ask so many questions. They say, how will this program help me in day-to-day life? Please understand, only after you integrate you, complete you, your day-to-day life starts. Till then, your life is not day-to-day. It is time to time. Sometimes your life will be happening, sometimes will not be happening. Only when you start completing yourself, integrating yourself, your life starts. Your life starts happening. People also ask me how this program is different from Life Bliss Level 1 and Kalpataru. In Kalpataru and Life Bliss Level 1, I give you the glimpse of that science now, the whole science itself, for you to take it and practice, live it. Next question I usually get, is there a relationship between 7 chakras and koshas? Yes. All the 7 chakras are in the 4th kosha, 4th layer. But all the 7 chakras are only one layer. People ask, if I had a bad dream, in which kosha does this problem exist? That exists in the 3rd layer, the mental layer.